I'm Aydon.
I'm Kirk.
We design and create personalized gifts with a focus on the wedding industry, nursery and home decor, and Christmas gifts. So we use a laser cutter and a CNC machine to create our gifts in our shop in Midland, Ontario.
I really enjoyed our wedding hangers. It started out as just sort of a thing that Aydon said, hey, you should try this out and see if they sell. And it turns out that that is the one product that blew up and allowed us both to quit our jobs.
I also really love our passport covers. The quality is just awesome and they go really nicely with our luggage tags. And the baby's first Christmas ornament out of wood, it's super cute. And one of the ones that I designed with Kirk, and I don't do as much as the design, so I felt proud of that one. I use Marmalead every time I create a new listing. Without it, I doubt we would be getting half as many views as we do. I use the comparison tool the most and just plug in different keywords and see which has the best results. The grading system has helped to remind me to keep the keywords in my listing, as well as making sure that my descriptions are full and the readability and sentiment are just right.
I would say realizing the power of long tail keywords and getting more specific rather than generic. So once I made that change and Marmalead helped me make that change, figure out what people wanted, I would target longer tail keywords and all of a sudden sales started coming in. Work on your photos, get your SEO in place. You had good photos and good SEO using Marmalead. I think you're set up to win for sure. It's kind of incredible that if you just find something that few people like and just blast it out to the internet, how far just one SKU or one product can go. Some people are going to think you're crazy, mainly your friends and family, for thinking this, but just keep going because it all works out.